Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into something truly special. The 2025 Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a car, it's a rebirth of a legend. A name that once defined automotive elegance and flair returns in a form that pays homage to the past while embracing the future. Sit back and relax as we walk you through every detail of this stunning machine, from its retro-modern design cues to its electric heartbeat. As we step closer, the front of the 2025 Karmann Ghia immediately demands attention. The designers have done a masterful job of preserving the classic soul. The slim oval headlights, encased in chrome housings, echo the original model from the 50s and 60s. However, they're now fully LED with adaptive matrix technology, ensuring modern visibility without sacrificing charm. The signature smooth nose of the car remains untouched by unnecessary vents or harsh edges, instead embracing a seamless and sculpted front fascia. A small, illuminated Karmann Ghia badge rests proudly on the hood, a symbol of timeless craftsmanship. Moving along the side, the car becomes even more poetic. The swooping roofline flows elegantly into the rear fenders, much like the original design that made the Ghia such a design icon. Flush door handles, aerodynamic side mirrors, and minimalistic character lines keep things clean and refined. The coupe sits low and wide on 20-inch retro-styled wheels with a turbine-inspired design, hinting at its modern underpinnings. It's a car that turns heads not because it shouts, but because it whispers elegance in a world of noise. At the back, the Karmann Ghia's rear is just as captivating. The wraparound LED tail lights form a smooth horizontal line, reminiscent of vintage aesthetics, but with a futuristic execution. A sculpted rear deck leads into a minimalist bumper that conceals a retractable diffuser, signaling that this is more than just a beauty. It has performance on its mind, too. Instead of a traditional exhaust, there's an LED signature light bar that pulses when you brake, a subtle nod to the fact that this car is fully electric. Opening the door, you're welcomed into an interior that strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. The dashboard features a wooden veneer inlay across the length, softly backlit, to create an ambient glow during night drives. The round analog-inspired digital gauges give off that classic vibe, but function with modern precision. The center touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the dash and houses all vehicle controls, while voice assistant integration ensures you're never distracted. The seats are crafted from sustainable leather alternatives, stitched in a diamond pattern that mirrors classic European craftsmanship. Even the steering wheel takes cues from the past, with a slim two-spoke design, though it houses modern controls for navigation, media, and driver assistance systems. Everything about the cabin feels intentional, tactile, and beautifully crafted. Space-wise, it's a two-seater with enough comfort and room to make long weekend getaways feel luxurious. Underneath all this charm lies a surprisingly potent electric powertrain. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes with a dual-motor setup delivering 380 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque. It goes from 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. But more importantly, it does so with grace and silence. The ride is smooth, thanks to adaptive air suspension, and handling is tight with precise steering and excellent weight distribution. With a battery pack offering around 300 miles of range on a single charge, it's a car that's not just stylish but practical for daily use or long weekend drives. Charging is supported via 800V architecture, giving you up to 80% battery in just under 20 minutes at a fast charging station. That means less waiting and more cruising, just the way it should be. As for pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium collector's EV coupe. Starting at around $78,000, it's certainly not entry-level, but when you consider the craftsmanship, performance, and brand heritage, it feels like a fair value. Higher trims with custom paint options Upgraded interior materials and limited edition badges can push the price north of $90,000. But even the base model offers a complete and satisfying package. So who is the 2025 Karmann Ghia for? If you're someone who values style as much as substance, who sees cars as works of art rather than just transportation, this is for you. It's not for the track junkie or the family hauler. It's for the individualist, the dreamer, the one who wants to stand out in the quietest, most elegant way possible. Would we recommend it? Absolutely. But with a caveat. This isn't a car that competes with the likes of the Tesla Model S or Porsche Taycan on sheer numbers alone. It competes on emotion, legacy, and design. It's a vehicle that will be appreciated not just by you, but by everyone who sees it, hears it whisper by, or sits in it. It's a future classic in every sense of the word. Thanks for riding with us today. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Karmann Ghia, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new car review from us. Let us know in the comments what car you'd like to see next. And until then, keep driving with style and soul.